Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew in Minecraft. This hearty meal is a fantastic way to restore your hunger, providing 8 hunger points. To begin, you'll need to craft a simple bowl using 3 wooden planks. Then, venture out to find 3 different types of mushrooms. Any combination of red and brown mushrooms will work perfectly for your delicious stew. Finding your ingredients is the next step. Red mushrooms typically appear in dark oak forests or mushroom fields, while brown mushrooms are common in caves and swamp biomass. Once you have your wood, craft a bowl by placing 3 wooden planks in a V-shape on your crafting table. Specifically, put 2 planks on the bottom row and 1 in the middle slot of the second row to form your bowl. Now for the crafting. Open your crafting table and place the bowl in the bottom center slot. Then, arrange your 3 different types of mushrooms into any of the remaining slots in the crafting grid. The order or position of the mushrooms doesn't affect the outcome, so feel free to place them wherever. You'll instantly create a nourishing mushroom stew, ready to eat. Mushroom stew is a fantastic food source, restoring 8 hunger points and 12 saturation, making it very efficient. While mushroom stew is great, you can also make rabbit stew, which provides 10 hunger points. This variation requires a cooked rabbit, a carrot, a baked potato, and 1 mushroom. Both stews are excellent choices for sustaining yourself during your Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.